out again, going to go catch some fish. If you listen closely, you can hear some. Right, ever hear about the crab in a barrel situation? So we have soldier crabs in a bucket, so they're trying to get out. So today we'll be catching fish using soldier crab as bait, and we're currently in Cayman Brac. That's one of the 3 Cayman islands. It's one of the sister islands. So you have Grand Cayman, Cayman Brac, and you have Little Cayman. So those 3 islands make up the Cayman Islands, and it's to the western side of Jamaica. I don't have the exact. Oh gosh, copyright music. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, do all the regular stuff. Oh yeah, you can see the fishing rod there. We have about 3 working with, but it's just me and Dad catching fish today. So you don't have to share, but I'd appreciate if you share it. Yeah, you know. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cayman Islands. Look at these people. Look at this. It's a pity I left my swim trunks. It's a real pity I left my swim trunks because I'm tempted to jump off in this. Like, anyways, I'm just going to show you a bit of the scenery. Right, so that's some more on. Okay, so of course there's a fish line pin, so we're trying to keep our coral reefs healthy. Well, they're trying to keep their coral reefs healthy. I'm Jamaican, which is a good thing. I admire this about the Department of Environment, so kudos to them. But yeah, just go and catch some B-roll and throw some line. Bait. What is this? What? Yeah. You're serious, Jack? I feel picking from mine too. Whoa, I feel in drag on mine. I look a little bit dark in this video. Alright. Well, you might be wondering why we're wearing long sleeve shirt, but if you have ever been to the Cayman Islands and experienced midday sun, you would know exactly why we're wearing long sleeve shirt. It's way too hot to not be wearing long sleeve, especially like when we're out in the sun for a long time. We need to cover, so we're in hot and we're in long sleeve. So yeah, that should explain it. So far so good. Dan got some clicks on his line, so hopefully we get to catch real soon. They probably eat off my bait, so I'll go and whine in and check. Let me show you what's a product. Let me show you what's a product of these small fish. You see this? You see this focus? If it's focused, look at this. Bait eat off. Empty. So everything gone. We're going to try again. Don't give up. Let's go. One more time. Pulling Dad's line for him until, he's sorting out mine. So he's changing the hook. We're not changing.
You gonna add the hook to it?
I'm changing.
Oh, you're changing, okay.
Yeah, changing. Smaller one.
Okay. Alright. What?
Smaller hook in the day, better.
Right. Especially for the type of fish we're going after.
Yeah.
Wow. You picking heavy, you know? It's just a shame how them biting at it so hard and we're not getting no, no catch.
Just good.
Yeah.
The small mud fish.
Yeah, some small mud fish I eat out the bait.
Just a snapper.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you can see them, but there are some small fish swimming about in the water. Yeah. Yeah, my line feels dead too, so I'm going to check mine. Guys, I'm feeding mine. Yeah, let's stop. I feel some healthy picking around.
Oh, I saw that.
Oh, the sub, okay. You can catch it. Our people once more. Hey, look at this. Let me see if I can zoom out. Yep, look at this, people. Empty, bring it in empty. Yeah, these fish are working today. Working. So, go and try again. Yep, so we're going to try again. So, fire service is there.
After wearing
The live vest. Yeah.
Doesn't matter how good you can swim.
True.
Anything happen out there?
Yeah, you can.
Stay afloat for a while.
Yep. The tide's low today though. You can see little Cayman very clearly. Right, so that there on the horizon, that is Little Cayman. Right. Alright, so we're at a new location. It's a lot of wind, so I'm going to have to speak loudly. Alright, so this is Divi Tiara. Right. So there was a hotel located on this same property. There was a nice dock right there, but of course the tide would rise and wash it away. So it's just a little piece, a remnant of what used to be. So yeah. But when this place is well kept, it's really beautiful, like pretty white sand beaches. But as you can see from the shoreline, there are a lot of sea debris and the sargassum seaweed, which has been a problem for the Caribbean for quite some time now. From my recollection, from back in like 2017, 2018, we had this problem. I guess the government has done a great job in terms of, you know, scooping up the seaweed and disposing of it. I'm not sure what they use it for, but I heard that it can be used for fuel, and it's rich in sulfur. That's why it gives off this stench. But it's a really, who knows, it could be treasure and we don't even know it. Yeah, we're going to our usual fishing spot here. I mean, sometimes we'd fish on that same broken dock, but you know. Ooh, look at that bird, look at that bird, look at that bird. Yes, sir. But yeah, we normally throw a line around here and we get some nice picking. And if you look farther up, you will see I think the most popular hotel on the island, Brac Reef. I think they call it Cayman Brac Beach Resort right now. But everyone calls it Brac Reef because that was the previous name of the resort, Brac Reef. So yeah, that's Brac Reef up there. We're walking towards Brac Reef. Let's see if I can pick a nice spot. I said it for one more line. Yeah, one more line. Alright, first catch of the day. My line felt dead. But I just decided to catch to bring in my line. But yeah, here we go. Where is it? There we go. I mean the camera is zoomed up, but it's a very small fish, so we might send him back. Let me see if I can zoom it out. So see me here, we're gonna release him now. He has life, you know, he has life. He look dead now, but he has life. Oh yeah. In weak coat. Yeah, we don't like wasting fish and we don't like catch them small too, but this one happened to be very weak. So tried to release him, but he was just, yeah, he's a very small fish, so I'm very weak. But we'll use him as bait. Poor fishy. Alright, morning peeps. Alright, so we're back at the previous location we fished at, Divi Tiara. Day 2, we're trying to get a better catch than last time. As you can recall, we caught a very small fish. I'll probably put the picture of the fish here. Right? So here we're back at the spot. You know, we stopped at the spot where we could get some Wi-Fi. Yeah, we're going to throw some line and hopefully we catch a decent amount. So yeah guys, this line work wonders. Let me see if I can sort it out. Right, this line work wonders. It's a nice fine line, so go put some tension on it. So you can know say if a fish pull, me can feel it readily, right? So you're supposed to put some tension on the. You're supposed to put some tension on the line, so not too much, but not too little. But yeah, it's set. So we're gonna wait until we get a nice drag. Hopefully, bring in a nice snapper. Oh, okay. Alright, so look at this, people. This is an eel. This is the catch of the day. This thing just gonna get himself tangled up, but he's strangling the bait. All he don't know is that he's actually hurting himself. But yeah, I think we can use him as bait. So we're gonna cut him up and put him in with the rest of the squid. Alright, so just throw out the line as you probably saw in the previous clip. I have the rod here. Just line on the ground until you feel something drag it. So far we caught an eel. We're not eating that, of course. We're gonna use it as bait. But normally this spot has more fish and you feel it more picking. So today is just an off day for us. I think it's the second off day for us in a row. Previously it's a spot we catch 7-10 fish, you know, in a day. Yeah, just enjoying the scenery. Alright. Yes, we keep. Alright, we casting 8 days. Interesting find, tongue shell. Yeah guys, I put this one not too far out. So just far enough that I know the fish can pick on, you know. They say if you're ever out in the wild and want a pillow and you have a lot of coconuts lying around, coconut makes a good pillow. It's actually comfortable. You say dad sleeping on one too? Yep. Oh gosh. But if you're wondering if we're still fishing, yes we are. We have the rods beside us, but we turned on the drag, so if anything put it, you hear the clicking sound. Right. So yep. Just a regular coconut.
I'll go on the other side, man.
Yeah, we're gonna try the other side and see. Yeah. So fish is on. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, is that jar? Okay. Cooking size. Wait, no. Is that? Yeah, it's a different type of snapper. Yeah. You got to look on the fish chart to find out what specific type. This one have a line where we run right through it on some spot. You can fry up. Yeah, if you see if any more in that same spot. Right. Alright, so we're still at Divi Tiara. So we decided to cast on the broken dock. So we caught one fish already. Huh? Oh, it's a good hook this is?
Yeah, man, a good hook. Just hold it. Very good hook.
Wait, watch your fish there on it.
I see the fish.
You hear the same snapper.
Yeah,
The one that look bigger too? Or, yeah, little bit bigger. Yeah.
You want me to check your one too?
Yeah, let me check mine. Cause them out there. Just so we can feel them so.
Yeah, I feel like.
Yeah, let me check my line.
Yep, see my catch here, people.
It's bush. I'm going to show you something again. Watch it, there's no bait on mine. Huh? No hook on it, but no bait. Yeah, then eat it.
Alright, yeah, thank you. What you're hearing in the background is the airplane. Because this I don't like calling it a beach, but it's a beach. This beach is right beside the landing strip or the airport. Fish number 3, or this is a better one. But I mean it's the same species. Yellow tail, right. We're going right into the bucket, so we're going to fry them up on. Yeah.
I don't fish sure.
Yeah. We'll take him off the line. My rod is out there, it's stuck. So I'm going to unstuck it and then. If I lost my hook and sinker. Alright, so people, so we are at Panama Canal in Cayman Brac, not the actual Panama Canal. Yeah, it's evening time. We're expecting some good pics on this line. The last time I was here, I got some pics, but they took off my bait and I didn't get the fish. So here I am to redeem myself and catch him. So yeah, we should get a good catch this evening.
I knew when they attack this thing. He thought we did it.
Oh.
I told you.
Yeah, these fish are very hungry. So. They're out there, but they just not biting onto the hook for some reason. Oh, something I picked my line. Pick that jug.
Yeah, why not going to do it? Yes, my people, see it, yeah? A good size snapper.
And then they appear with the line. See if we can get a good. Whoa. Yeah, man. People, alright, so the. Whoa, what kind of. It's a grunt, okay. Yeah, I was looking on the lines. This is not just a regular snapping. It's a good size grunt though.
Yeah. Just as good as a snapper.
Yeah. Nice one for the tally. How much you got today? 6?
Oh. But I mean, yeah, 6.5.
Yeah. You catch 5, I caught 1. One probably take him off and send it again.
If you want to bite, that means fish a bite.
Yeah. Them out there.
Long time I met you, never stop until I get in more people. I want to eat going to them now swallow the them a swallow, them bite.
Them bite and I hang up on them.
Snap at them now. I see them really long teeth.
Because some of them are so you can put your finger in the air.
Yeah, that's about it now, snap like the snapper.
I still wouldn't try it though.
I don't have no reason to put my that on another.
Yeah.
Okay, you can have put a motor of the thing before.
So these people we're using squid as bait along with the soldier crabs in the bucket. So that's going to top up this round.
Here it is.
Yep.
There's the costs on the other side.
It's in the
Or
sun
the same
over
side.
Yeah.
Somewhere nearby.
Out again.
There's the cost.
Yeah, we can't get much action footage because
as you can see, as Dad walks farther out to the spot, it gets darker. And I don't want to carry my phone too close to the water because the rocks and the crevices are unforgiving. If your phone drop in there, your device, your camera drop in there, you're not getting it back. So to be safe, I'll show you when the fish come in.